Hey everybody, it's Chris again from UTM Recreation, Athletics and Wellness, back with another tip for Wellness Wednesday. Over the last few weeks, we've been spending a lot of time working on the neck, upper back, and shoulders, really trying to release some of that tension that can be caused by sitting. This week, we're going to move down, start focusing in on the hips and the hip flexors that can tighten up while you're sitting. All this area can really be shortened and tighten up over time, especially if you're spending a lot of extra time sitting at a desk, working, studying. So there we're going to work on releasing those hip flexors. First thing we're going to do, foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, you can use any kind of ball as well. Obviously the harder it is, the more discomfort you're going to go through. But if you have a foam roller, perfect. We're going to work on rolling. So just from that point at the hip, that bony point, we're going to go down a bit and just inside. And then we're going to work up and down along there. So on your forearms and just rolling up and down on that hip flexor area. 20 to 30 seconds, you're going to do both sides. You can do it 2-3 times if you like. And then we're going to go into the next stretch. Next stretch is just going to be a standard hip flexor stretch. Going to be on one knee. We're stretching this right side. And then we're going to put this other foot forward. We're going to drive our hips forward and down. Keep that core braced. We don't want to be overarching our back. And just drive down. We're going to hold for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Again, 3 times each side. You're going to alternate back and forth. After that, this one's a little more advanced. So what we're going to do, a bench, a chair, couch, anything you have, you're going to hook your foot on. You're going to go into this position, okay? So one of the hip flexors also is one of the quad muscles, so it passes that knee. So we're going to bend that knee into that stretch. We're going to sit up. We're going to brace our core, bring that rib cage down towards our pelvis, and we're going to hold that there. Okay, again, 20 to 30 seconds each side, 2 to 3 times per side. And that should really help start loosening up those hip flexors.